we also want to know his response to what stimulus, because if there's a question, we want to know. We still want to know the question.
Simply, he was asked if he approved of the presence of the ICC in the Philippines. There seemed to be some awareness in the public and in the media that the ICC was already here. So they asked the president, "What do you think?" And he said, "We will not block them. We will not just cooperate." There's clearly a change in tone and in order.
Well, if they have not violated any law, I don't think that we should be alarmed at anything that they're doing here, as long as they're not violating our laws.
What does not blocking the ICC mean? Non-cooperation, I think we mentioned that.
Well, still non-cooperation, because we never, up to now, had any communication with the ICC, if officially or unofficially.
Again, I remind you of the president's statement earlier, "Will not do anything about the ICC as long as they don't do anything illegal." Isn't this tantamount already to blocking the ICC and not cooperating?
Can you put the question into context, ma'am, please?
There is no context. It's simply that previously the president said that the government will not do anything about the ICC, like you commented on, unless they do something illegal in the Philippines. Is this not tantamount to blocking the ICC?
Well, blocking the ICC, we never knew that they were here. We cannot do something that we do not even know or identify the people who are supposed to be blocked. So I don't see the logic, ma'am.
No, it's a simple question, straightforward. As of November 14 last year, ang sinabi ng Pangulo, no blocking, pero no cooperation din. Tama?
Marahil, yun siguro ho, mas maganda hong Tagalogin natin, hindi tayo tutulong sa kanila. Hindi tayo tutulong. Hindi tayo hahadlang, ngunit hindi tayo tutulong. Yung paghadlang kasi, wala
ng anuman investigasyon, pwera lang kapag illegal na ang ginagawa. Pero
nga ho yun.
Hindi rin tayo tutulong.
Ganun ho ang batas natin eh. Nanguhuli lang po tayo pag may ginawa ho mali. May ginawa ho paglabag sa batas.
Ang maliwanag dito, nag-umpisa na ang investigasyon. As of November nung nakaraan.
Hindi ko po masasabi yun. Kasi wala po akong contact, wala po akong alam na ganung hong usapin nung panahon na yun.
So ang ibig sabihin, hindi pa nag-uumpisa ang investigasyon, nagsasalita lang ang presidente ng kusa na
depende nga ho sa tanong. Ang problema ho,
dating salita.
Ang problema ho, kung hindi natin alam ang tanong, paano natin malalaman kung paano ba sinagot yung tanong sa ganung paraan? Kaya kung pwede ho, ilagay niyo natin ilagay po natin sa talata yung tanong na tinanong kay Pangulo para malaman natin kung ano ang kanyang sinasabi. Kasi hindi ho eh. Ang ganitong salita po ay response po sa isang tanong. Kaya dapat yung tanong po sana iharap niyo po sa atin para buo ang pag-uusap. Tsaka sino po ang nagtanong? Anong pagkakataon yun tinanong?
Ang media ang nagtanong at ang simpleng tanong, aprobado mo ba ang presensya ng ICC in the Philippines? I think the identity of the media is irrelevant. The question is, does he approve of the ICC in the Philippines? Ang sabi niya, simple lang naman, ay kapag walang illegal, talaga naman sasalubungin natin sa ating bansa pagkat tayo ay bukas at malaya.
Yun nga ho, tama ho yun. Yun ang sinabi niya. Talaga hong hanggang wala hong ginagawang illegal ang tao, ay pababayaan natin silang manatili sa tahimik.
Tama. Ngayon, ang ibig sabihin nito, nag-umpisa na ang ICC investigation. Maybe we ask